What's going on, guys? I wanted to make a video today following up from Sunday's live stream over meal prepping. Now, after we had that live stream, I had a few of you reach out saying, hey, can you give me a few more food options? Man, that's hard to say, to choose from when making these meal plans. So, what I did was I hit up the Kroger and I found a few items I think you guys would enjoy. So stay tuned, see what I picked out. And if you have any questions or if you would like more content like this, just let me know. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching the video and have a great day.
Any type of oats that are just plain oats are great, but I always go with the instant oats, original. Check it out, 2 grams of fat, you got some fiber in there, right? That's what we're looking for our carbs. And then a little bit of protein. That's a win. Another good choice for breakfast would be these Greek non-fat yogurts. Make sure you get plain because all these other ones are filled with tons of sugar. So yeah, check out the Greek non-fat yogurt. Great breakfast item as well. The yogurt I roll with all the time for either my late night stack or early mornings. It's got a little bit of sugar, but not too much. And then we get 14 grams of protein. So this is a good pickup if you're looking for something for breakfast or maybe something after dinner. So when it comes to meat, I don't really care what you grab, as long as it's lean. So if you see here, it says 8 grams of fat, but 20 grams of protein. That's over double the amount of fat, or double the amount of protein per fat. So that's what you want to work with. Listen, I know it's cliche, but chicken breasts, they gotta be on your checklist for meal prepping. I get them frozen, just throw them in the crock pot for 4 or 5 hours and you're good to go for the next 3 or 4 days. Easy. Let's go. All right, tuna is a winner. Just pretty much straight protein, super lean, super easy to make. So definitely pick these up when you're meal prepping. So these minute rices are some of my favorite things to purchase. Easy to carry or take with you to work. Tons of fiber. I only have one per meal, sometimes just a half of one. But these are a good pickup if you like rice instead of boiling it yourself. This is easy money right here. All right, if you're not a rice guy like me, a good second option would be potatoes. I think sweet potatoes are a little bit better, but you know, if you want to do sweet potatoes or just a normal white potato substitute for rice or potatoes for your carbs for lunch or dinner, my wife's been killing these. The Bonanza chickpeas, take a look. 3.5 grams of fat, carbs, but look at that fiber, that's what we're looking for, right? And protein. Come on now, good choice. Another great carb source if you're not into rice or potatoes or kidney beans or any other type of beans that's not filled with sugar. They got lots of fiber, easy to make, great for meal prepping. All right, I don't recommend having chips for every lunch, but hey, if you need a little something to munch on, pop chips are a great option to add in to your lunches or for a little snack before bed. If you don't have time to make something yourself, these healthy choices I used to have all the time. Check it out, 4 grams of fat in a whole serving, 16 grams of protein, that's a win. Earlier, if your food feels a little dry, here's some barbecue sauce that's sugar-free. I think it's really good. Only 10 calories, so definitely if you want to try something, give this a shot. At times I use ketchup to kind of make my food taste a little bit better, as we all do, but make sure you pick up the one that says no sugar added. Very important here, and it's a little bit, it saves you a little bit of calories, so pick this one up. All right, salads are great, but try to stay away from this Eat Smart stuff. They're full of fat and pretty much no protein, so definitely not a good choice if you're trying to go the salad route if you're meal prepping. Big nope.
Thanks again for watching, guys. I just wanted to give you a heads up to not forget that every Wednesday, Sunday at 7 o'clock p.m. we have our fitness live streams on YouTube. So be sure to check that out, and thank you again.